Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when all of the downloads in Google Play Store are stuck on pending in HAFURY GT20. To do this, first let's open our Google Play Store, and right here if we try to install some random app like this one, it's stuck on the pending and we can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. So open your settings, scroll all the way down, find the system, enter date and time, and here make sure that you're using use network provided time, like that. We can go back to Google Play Store and try to download the same thing. And now the download actually begins and it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.